Pregnancy and COVID-19. This video is related to pregnant women who are suffering from COVID-19 or who want to get precautionary measures. This video is for them. This video is based on limited evidence of the research which was done on international level. Number one, can the pregnant women get their antenatal checkups done if they are COVID-19 positive? See, in the last videos, I spoke about the patients, the COVID-19 patients who can get home care treatment, and then how long they can get their treatment at home. The same kind of instructions applicable to even the pregnant women. Second one, can the pregnant women who are COVID-19 positive should they be admitted in ICU or a ward? The answer to this is, it depends upon the condition of the pregnant mother and not on the COVID-19, provided the COVID-19 severity is less. What I mean that is like, if there is no nearby facility around to take the pregnant women immediately to be taken care of, or any rapidly deteriorating symptoms are there, or COVID-19 has got a complex severity, severe features in the pregnant women because of the COVID-19, then admission is needed. But just because the pregnant woman is COVID-19 positive, it's not an indication for admission in ICU or a ward. That's what I mean to say. Next comes to the third one, the transmission. Like, can this virus be transmitted from the mother to the fetus? Based upon the evidence, the limited evidence we have got, the answer is no. It is not transmitted from mother to the child. So, if it is not transmitted from mother to the child, is C-section or normal delivery advised? Which one of these two things is advised? C-section is done when based upon the conditions of the mother, the fetus, and the women preference, not because of COVID-19. So, just because the pregnant women is positive, just because the pregnant women positive of COVID-19 is not an indication for C-section. The last one is feeding. Can the pregnant women, like after she delivers a baby, not the pregnant women, after she delivers a baby and she is attacked with COVID-19, can she breastfeed her child? The answer is yes. She can breastfeed the child without any hesitation. COVID-19 is not a contraindication for a breastfeeding. If she has other problems or any other medication she is using, then she maybe she cannot breastfeed. But just because COVID-19 is there, there is no indication that she cannot breastfeed. She can breastfeed if she is COVID-19. Thanks for watching this video.